When we got this silver piece, it's the whatever plug jig. Boy. Yeah, I don't understand. It may look like I got it, but I damn sure don't. I ain't eating at Thanksgiving. If that. Shit. Alright. No, it's probably not the floor. Let's get that surge protector. You know what I mean? Keep it safe, keep it safe. We got the plug. Let me just take the HP out of this. Because we want that sexy 1080. Alright, it's basically my desk setup. I mean, 22 inch right there. Dell Studio. Let's check out the top. Silver, red, you know. Dominoes, you know what I mean? That was last night, whatever. Let's see. HDMI goes here. Alright. And send. Let's see. I didn't touch that shit. Oh. What the fuck? Alright. Alright, you got the VGA. Gotta switch it to the HDMI 2. Have my black ass seat. I just touched it, see? And that's not a button, that's a touch screen. I'm gonna touch this too. Look at that, look at that. You heard that? Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Come on. Come on. Look at that. Oh, that's 768. Nah, we don't want that. We want that 1080. And let me unwrap this controller real quick. Oh, they gave me a little batteries. I don't want batteries. I'm a grown man. Just got. Oh yeah. No, it's a white one. I don't want that. It's a Microsoft black one. Don't tell me I got no batteries, no use in it. Whatever. So when your batteries run out, you know what I mean? Come on, yo. We keep that good old playing charge on deck. You know what I mean? What's this? Okay, got a little USB shit. Come on, man. Bill Gates wants some nice shit. Alright. Let's look at this controller. This shit is sexy as hell. The details. Oh my god. With the black, with the. Oh. And I got the black batteries, so it just complements it. Like. That wasn't even the setup. I didn't do it on purpose. Alright, so we'll hook that up. There we go. Turn it on. Get that first. Let's get started. So we want that English, of course. Nah, we want that QWERTY. We want that QWERTY. We want the United States. That's where I'm at. We want that 1080. Oh yeah, 1080. Oh, you see that? You see 1080? Right. Just checking. Set game ratings. Come on, son. Alright, yo. Network adapter has been detected. Do you want to configure it now? No. Being that I live kinda off campus, I don't have wireless right now. Yeah, this is what I'm paying tuition for Ethernet cords. You're gonna go to no. If you already have a gamer tag, you can retrieve it in your profile in this console. Yes, I have a gamer tag. Next Xbox information will be added to your console. You want to continue? Yes, I'll continue. Connect. Alright, let me get my Ethernet that Xbox gave me with my Elite, you know, keep it green all day. I guess it ain't gonna stretch. See? So you have to touch it, see how it's making that noise? Let's test that connection. While that's going, let me open up this shit. It's all black, like, come on, what game you got that's all black? Just don't even try it. So I ain't gonna clean that up. Look at that. Bonus content, I'm assuming, whatever. I'm assuming alert, security breach, whatever. Bonus content, whatever. I don't read booklets. Go to game. Put the game in. Alright, let's close that up. You're gonna test that connection? Because being that I'm at school. Oh, ain't that a bitch? You know why it's not gonna work? You know why it's not gonna work? Oh, maybe it is gonna work. Oh no, you know why it's not gonna work? Cause motherfucking Rochester, I gotta fucking register my MAC address, my fucking Xbox to get online. Ugh, that's absolutely ridiculous. Totally forgot about that shit. Oh well, yo, create new profile. Whatever, yo. No, I don't want to do that. I don't enjoy Xbox Live again. No, create online offline profile. Alright, here we go. Get them caps on. And a lot feels tighter. Pause. I mean, you already know what the name gonna be. I am's what I am's. Come on, yo. Sign up, be in profile, blah 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 blah. This video kind of long. Hold on. Alright, see. I'm like, come on, yo. I'm grown. Alright, I'm gonna be a little white kid for now. Mom! Mom! Come on, guys. Let's go. Yeah, you saw him, see? Feels like metal, like on some non-smooth, on some. This controller is gorgeous. Alright, I'm done. Let's go with the game. Let's go. Come on. Alright. Play game. Yes, let's do this. I mean, it's on the desk, so it's louder, but that shit is pretty quiet compared to this. Compared to my black bitch over here. You know what I mean? Alright. Look at that shit. Alright, it's too much. Y'all gonna have to go out and buy the shit yourself. I'm sorry. First things first. Nah, I think I'm gonna keep y'all for a little while longer. I'm a guy. I don't want to be a girl. Nah, I don't want to be a guy. First time. Armory. Alright, so I gotta do all this shit. Alright, basically, I'm gonna do all this shit and put something else up regarding the gameplay. Deuces.